Humanity has always reached upward, toward the stars, toward knowledge, toward a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it. But for centuries, our science advanced without its foundation. We explored the quantum world without geometry. We mapped the cosmos without structure. We built theories without unity. We were climbing, but without seeing the staircase. That changes now. Tetryonics reveals the geometry that has always been there, the equilateral quantum, the Planck quoin, the true building block of all mass energy, momentum, charge, and topology. With this single discovery, the fog lifts. The contradictions dissolve. The universe becomes visible, mechanical, exact. This is the moment humanity ascends. From fragmented knowledge to unified understanding. Quantum mechanics becomes deterministic geometry, electromagnetism becomes fascia tension and curvature, chemistry becomes harmonic field architecture, biology becomes living geometry, cosmology becomes scalable topology, mathematics becomes the operator of physical structure. Every field aligns, every law connects, every mystery resolves. This is not just scientific progress, it is scientific elevation. When science becomes unified, humanity rises with it. Energy becomes cleaner, medicine becomes precise, technology becomes geometric, education becomes universal, and our understanding of consciousness, life, and the cosmos deepens beyond anything imagined. Tetryonics is not merely a theory, it is a catalyst, a turning point, a step upward in the evolution of human knowledge. It is the scientific ascension of our species. 17 years of open disclosure have brought us to this moment. The moment the geometry appears, the moment the universe reveals its blueprint, the moment humanity steps into a new scientific age. This is the dawn of unified physics, the dawn of geometric science, the dawn of a higher understanding of reality itself. This is the scientific ascension of humanity through Tetryonics. Tetryonics, the unified geometric framework for humanity.